Because bonded atoms cannot be too far apart, their atomic orbitals would not overlap enough to share electrons, so the bond would break and the atoms would separate into non-bonded species. Think of atoms like people reaching out their hands to hold each other. Each hand is an orbital that can share an electron pair, and if the people step too far apart, their hands no longer touch, so they cannot hold on. Orbitals are regions around atoms where electrons live, and a chemical bond forms when two orbitals overlap, so electrons are shared between atoms, lowering the total energy. The strength of that overlap depends on distance and shape. So as atoms move apart, the overlap decreases quickly, and the shared electrons stop stabilizing both atoms. When the stabilization is gone, the bond energy is not enough to hold the atoms together, and the bond effectively breaks. A common mistake is thinking bonds are like fixed sticks that keep atoms at a rigid distance, but bonds are dynamic and depend on electron sharing and overlap. Remember that motion and vibrations change distances and can weaken overlap. Another misconception is believing any small overlap still makes a strong bond. In reality, there is a threshold of effective overlap required for a stable bond. So very weak overlap means the bond is easily broken. Some students confuse orbital overlap with physical contact of electrons. So think instead of probability clouds that must overlap enough to allow electrons to be shared. For more short videos and clear explanations about bonding and orbitals, visit www.gumballdegree.com to find more resources on this topic.